Welcome back. Before you do now, I wanted you to think about what might you do to try and prevent tyranny? What does our government need? What sort of rules or constitutional amendments would you want that would make tyranny not disappear, but definitely limit that? And if we look at this cartoon, um, this author is saying Democrats and Republicans are both walking all over the people, and the people are blaming them. Like, next time I'm going with the other guy, and then obviously they're just going to get walked on either way. That they don't realize that the person controlling them are elite bankers, like the wealthy people in the world are controlling the government and walking all over the people as a result. So that's a person's opinion um, about the failures of the U.S. government. So today we got our competency, some quick review. We've been talking about the Constitution for 3 weeks now, the plan for our government, and how it tries to prevent tyranny with like separation of power, checks and balances systems, how bills become laws, federalism. Those were some of the big ideas we talked about a couple weeks ago. Last week, we were talking about the powers of each branch. So we had Congress and the legislative branch, which is the Senate and the House of Representatives. Their job is to write laws. Then we talked about the executive branch, whose job it is to enforce those laws. Now we have the president, the cabinet, and the bureaucracy. And then last, we have the judicial branch, um, which is like the Supreme Court. They interpret the laws. They get to decide whether laws are constitutional or not. Should laws be allowed or not? So on your competency, um, pull it up real quick. You're answering based on different levels. So we'll have some of these have two questions. You just need to answer one. Just answer one of the questions. So the first one, simple, identify, give me the right answer. I'm looking for names. Pick one of those questions, give me the answers, the people. Level 2, I'm looking for you to teach me. Give me, explain something in your own words and give me an example. Again, pick your question. For level 3, I'm looking for answer, reason, evidence, or example and analysis. Remember, this analysis means why is it important? Why is what you're saying matter? You're just picking one of these questions to answer. Then I have another level 3 question where you have no choice. You have to answer this one. We have a compare and contrast question where you're telling me similarity, difference, and then why the difference matters. And then we got our big question. To what extent does the Constitution prevent tyranny? I want you to tell me to what extent it does. Give me a reason, some sort of example, analysis. Why does that matter? Another reason, example, analysis. All right, so this is a long test. You'll have the rest of the period to work. Let me know if you need help.